Hello, this is the pronunciation workshop by me, Javier. Today we're going to be using the IPA transcriptions to better pronounce English sentences. The boy crossed the finishing line first. Can I leave my backpack at the house? Red is my favorite color. She is very interested in learning English. This bottle has been bought in the store. Americans drink a lot of beer. He wrote the address on the envelope in pencil. Let us go drink somewhere. I left something in the car. Do not touch the animals, they bite. Stand clear of the doors for your safety. If I die young, bury me in a suit. Keep out of this room. Replace blade after use. Thank you so much.